video, we unbox and durability test the MJX Hyper Go. When I thought it would never break, the gear blew up. So after a good look and bang good, I got some upgrades, and yeah, I guess it's now time to fix it. So links in the description. I don't know what I've done wrong, but I don't think it should sound like that, so let me know what I've done in the comments. Sounds a bit weird. What is my final verdict? This is absolutely one of the best RC cars I've ever had because it's really durable, really fast, and it's probably up there with the MT10. But I've got to say those gears did let it down a bit, but now I put them on, I hate to say it, it's probably stronger than the MT10 in some ways. So why is that? It's really durable, like I just said, and it's got oil shocks, 3-wide servo, it's got a wheelie bar, it's got plenty of power. And yeah, and you can put a normal receiver in it. So for something at this price point, they've absolutely knocked out of the park, and I think I'm definitely going to get a few more in the future, hopefully. And if you want to see more of this car, in the next video I might bring it to the skate park to absolutely send it. But there's a catch. I'm going to do that when I get to 100 subscribers, so that's a little challenge for you. And sorry for the lack of shorts of videos recently because, yeah, I lost the footage for the RB10 video. And when I bought this to Dorset last week, I forgot the charger, so I couldn't shoot any shorts on that. I didn't have enough time before I went away because it was like, I was away for 2 weeks. And, yeah, the weekend I did release the tank video. I was going to also edit the RB10 video, but of course I lost the footage. So, yeah, sorry for the lack of videos recently, and it should be back to weekly, whether it's a short or a video like this. So, thanks for watching. Do consider buying one of these because they're like 80 quid, I think. But for something this fast and durable, and that much cheaper than the MT10 for something that's almost better, it's worth it. So, get one. Links in the description. So thanks for watching and subscribe.